Welcome back. Today I am going to build this cat furniture. I have a kitten and an older cat, and they just don't have enough places to rest and to play, so I thought that this would be awesome for them. Let's get to it. Oh, it's pretty heavy, and my helper here, his name is Atlas. What has Mama got you, Atlas? Let's see. Watch out. Oh my goodness. It is taped up. Whew. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, this little bed thing. A scratching board. Another little pillow thing. Assembly instructions. I think I'm gonna reference the assembly instructions because I want to get it right. Sometimes I just try to wing it, but let's see how this goes. And I'll fast forward through the boring time, make it quick for you. Got little scratching posts, furry posts, 3 of them. Hammock, a cat hammock. And a cute little cat-faced little door for a private area. My older cat will probably like that a lot. We usually leave his kennel in the room because sometimes he just needs a quiet space to get away from this one. Nice color wood. I think it'll match pretty well with my furniture. Doesn't have to be exact. And I see that each piece of the furniture is numbered. So this is like 12, this one's 10. That's probably going to come in handy. A little hole for the cats to come through. I believe this is the feet for the piece of furniture. Hardware, a little dingle toy. I'll have to hide this because otherwise he's going to take it because he plays fetch. Oh look, they even gave you tools. That's very cool. That's even labeled for what you're going to need it for. Another ledge, side panel or something. Oh my goodness, all these pieces. Another ledge. Think, Atlas. You're going to love it. I know you will. Look at this. Atlas. Check it out. You're gonna have another doorway to something. Boom. And I don't know what this piece is. Another big piece. Now I can see why it was so heavy. Another big piece. All right, here we go. Now, let's see what the instructions tell me to do. Holy cow, there's like a whole alphabet of parts. First things first. Insert part A on part 3. Gotta love these. Insert part A. Atlas. Atlas is enjoying the boxes already. Maybe I should just got him a box. Atlas, I need part A. 2 dowels. Careful. Careful. Careful, careful, careful. Oh, no, don't take that. Bring me your mount. Go get your mount. Hey. Here it is. The tool is like buried deep within the screws. Okay. Oh, that makes a huge difference. You even know this is for you? This is for you? For you. Okay, we got that part together. I peeked ahead in the directions, and it shows that the side that is gonna have the back put on it has to be on the inside, and the bottom is the flat one. So there's this groove here. I'm going to now put this on the side it said to do. That groove confuses me. Where's your toy, Atlas? What are you doing, Atlas? I'm gonna need those parts, honey. Did it. I did that part. Hey, Atlas, hand me part 4. Okay, Mom. I got part 4. Atlas, wait. Arrgh. All right, so now these pieces are all assembled, and the next thing I need to do is we put the back onto it. So the back is this piece. It wants me to put it like this. Perfect. Put it in there really well. What? So now it shows us putting in, I believe, with the feet. So I'm gonna flip this over like this. Okay, so now we're gonna put on the feet of this thing. And then this goes in the middle of this one. I think that's to make sure it doesn't wobble. 2 more legs. There, all the feet are on. That's pretty cool. I like it. They're little felt feet, so you don't scratch your floor. These are particularly important if you have a wooden floor. Actually, it's not felt, it's like a rubber. So little rubber footies. Okay, now it looks like it's getting complicated. Install part K on part 7. This is a magnetic latch. I can tell because all the little pieces, little screws are sticking to it. Yeah. Okay, part K is now on 2 end screws. It says, please note to make sure that front side of part K faces the edge of part 7. I'm going to, so this is, looks like it's the top. It all fits nicely together. Are you already in it? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I think it's time to move to a more sturdy surface, the floor, because this little guy is going to help me knock it over a million times. Okay, moving right along, we have this part done. Now we're going to put on the top. Okay. So now we got 8 and 9 here. this part's kind of tricky. So you put it like this so that the cylinder is on the front side of the door. Alice, leave it. Leave the camera. No, Alice. Nope, nope, nope. Leave it. Check out your new bed. Get that to me. Thank you. So that's all there was to building the cat house. It's pretty cool. I'm really excited about it. You missed the part where I actually used the drill to do the doors. It was so much easier with the drill. It also has like a light, so it lit up the inside of the cabinet for me, and that was so much easier. So they have a little magnet to keep the door closed. I'm gonna put a little bed in there for Treble, who sometimes likes some quiet, and he can access it through this side little door here. Up top, there's another little lounge area for one of them, and of course the other levels up on the top. And I'll go ahead and link or put a picture in there for you to see the whole thing, and hopefully I'll catch some footage of the cats in action. Come here, little Atlas. Here. Okay, what do you think, Atlas? He's already been all over it. He likes it a lot. So, of course, he's gonna go to the very top. I'm gonna open the windows behind and let them have at it and see them enjoy their new cat tree house thing.
Of course, Treble, my old man cat, he slept through the entire thing.
All right, bye.